Let's clear something up right away because the title might have you expecting an actual box on a table. DJI hasn't officially announced the DJI Osmo 360 yet, so there's no real unboxing happening today. But what has changed is genuinely significant because a real prototype has surfaced, FCC certification has already been filed, and we now have some of the clearest evidence yet of what DJI is building for its next 360 camera. In this video, we're going through everything currently known: the design, the battery, the sensor situation, and whether waiting for this one actually makes sense. And that battery number alone, is worth sticking around for. Let's start with the design because visually not much appears to be changing here. Recent prototype images show the DJI Osmo 360 keeping that same square body with the dual lens setup sitting on top, which is honestly good news if you already own mounting accessories from the original. That kind of continuity usually means DJI wants this to slot right into its existing accessory ecosystem rather than forcing everyone to re-buy gear. The one confirmed hardware change so far comes straight from the FCC filing itself, listing a 2,150 mAh battery compared to the 1,950 mAh cell in the current model. That's roughly a 10% bump, and while DJI hasn't confirmed exact runtime numbers yet, more capacity is rarely a bad thing on a camera people take out for entire days of shooting. Now, here's where things get a little more complicated because the sensor story isn't as clean as the battery upgrade. Current leaks suggest the Osmo 360 may actually keep the same dual 1/1.1-inch Type-C MOS sensors found in the original camera, the same setup that delivers native 8K 360-degree video and up to 120 megapixel photos. That means image quality might not see a dramatic jump this generation, which could disappoint anyone hoping for a completely new sensor. But there's still a meaningful performance upgrade rumored here, with several reports pointing toward 8K recording at up to 60 frames per second, compared to the original's 8K at 50 frames per second cap. If that holds up, smoother footage in fast-moving situations like cycling or action sports could end up being the real reason people upgrade, even without a brand new sensor. Connectivity is reportedly getting some attention too, with leaks pointing toward Wi-Fi 6 support and possibly NFC for faster pairing between the camera and your phone. As for what actually ships inside the box, nothing's confirmed until DJI makes this official. But if the DJI Osmo 360 follows the same pattern as the original, expect a protective pouch, lens protection, a USB-C cable, and tiered bundle options ranging from standard all the way up to adventure configurations with extras like an invisible selfie stick. DJI has used that same standard, essential, and adventure structure before, so there's a reasonable chance history repeats itself here. There's no official US pricing yet, but current estimates place the Osmo 360 somewhere between $499 and $579, depending on the bundle, which would land at close to the original's $549.99 launch price. So here's the honest trade-off. You're likely getting a bigger battery, possibly smoother 8K 60 footage, better connectivity, and the same proven sensor setup. But if DJI really does keep the same imaging hardware, the actual image quality improvement might be smaller than people expect. There are also lingering questions about heat management during high frame rate recording, something some current owners have already flagged with demanding modes. At this point, this isn't rumor territory anymore. We've got certification paperwork and real prototype images backing it up. So the real question isn't it DJI's making this camera, it's how much better it actually turns out to be. So, if you're eyeing a high-end 360 camera and don't need one right this second, waiting for more details on this one seems like the smart move. What matters more to you? The bigger battery or the smoother 8K 60 footage? Drop your answer in the comments, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the official reveal.